pandemia. Akapakitala rin yung dunia yang kekalahan dengan menekan negara dunia. Iti huli, hindi at kasala yung pagkas na nagalit kakalihan. Parang gabi, yung mayat ng oras, ay hanggang naman ay kasi yung puti. Di rin sana kung paano kakalihan at paano sa sunod yan ang baso. Anos pangwala ang nilabas ang nagbukan ya tingin sa pamamagitan ng bayan ng pamamagitan. Ano naman ito, higit sa itong agalasan kami, indakala pamamagitan tingin doon ang pamamagitan. Hanggang bakal pamamagitan at pagsubukan, pinararamdaman ang tingnan manatili kamuri ilubun at kapagpapayanan kami pamamagitan niya ang natanong kapagpapayanan na mapagaya rin sinagling at sayang ng sundan.
Kontribusi sekarang kan.
Festival 2020 Executive Committee. Dan pangulunan ang responsibilidad ang mga serbisyo beginning kung higdugan ang nakasalamat kung naman sikat at kami kemudian sakit yang dia kawan bersih. Ini kompleto yung ding ini wala maring balang kanalay magpaparoon ang hunduris at hundusan ay waling may masamtik at kondisyon ang mga mangalan din karoon. Ay naman talento at kalan ang dinyan at kaya ng atong ginuno makatanlunan sana una pagkakasa at tamang balon kanilang balan ibalik-balik parang si Bagalan balan mga tinagin na ng nagligan kami bigyan ng mga kawas din kaya na tamang mga rabon at para sa tinatawag ang silbi na sana ang gagalita ng libon na silbinin at alam at itutan sana ng kapal.
The celebration of Christmas in the Philippines is one known for its colorful and unique traditions. In Illinois, the most colorful season, the lantern always serves as Filipinos' iconic symbol and greatest expression. For it represents the Star of Bethlehem that led the wise men to the newborn child Jesus. That same star is also the inspiration of Emperor Salvador Alcantara, whose creative hands and colorful ideas turned this blue star into twinkling, sparkling giants, giving birth to the giant lantern festival. After the 16th century, when the August is from August, and most of the exercising of seats, people started their tradition for Kubenas. A creative night where people of the community bring lanterns along with their patron saints before going to church for Misa de Gallo. The first recorded giant lantern maker was Francisco Estanislao of Barangay Santa Lucia. In 1908, he officially introduced giant lantern making in San Fernando with the use of bamboo and cocoa cloth. On December 26, 1909, the earliest photo of a Christmas lantern illuminating a street in San Fernando was captured. Later, in 1927, Cesare Lobo introduced the Tanare, a seawall attached to a paper cotton bag which enabled the lanterns to be connected to electricity, supplied by the San Fernando Electric Light and Power Company first electric. Written accounts of the 1930s first mentioned the giant lantern festival in San Fernando. Battery operated lanterns came in the 1940s, and molding exterior lantern was introduced in the 1950s. Along with the 60s gave birth to the commercial lantern industry when San Fernando lanterns became available for sale abroad. In fact, a giant lantern was featured on the cover of a magazine in Society in 1966. What becomes a commercial festival competition is canceled in 1978 to 1979. But during the second decade of the 80s, the tradition was revived, with rules, regulations, and awards formalized under the leadership of the mayors during the night. Barangay Santa Lucia in 1982. But Barangay Del Oro became a strong supporter as it ended with the from 1983 to 1999. The competition remains transferred to the school village. Halloween, Christmas was great, and this is it. In 1994, following the total process of foreclosures which devastated families in Fernando, I organized a street auction of other contenders after being hailed as a champion. Later, in 2002, a lantern that stands 105 feet was crafted and attempted to be enlisted in the Guinness Book of World Records. San Fernando lanterns were captured from today when the Philippine Consulate General included a line for some of its permanent points during the first lantern festival in 2012. One giant lantern also surfaced as the main attraction for the Scorpion held in Singapore in the same year. In 2014, the Philippines joined the Shanghai International Festival for the first time with a 16-feet San Fernando lantern. In 2016, the Asian Civilizations Museum in Singapore illuminated children's life, pride, and anniversary with a display of a 4-meter lantern marked as the biggest fireworks lantern outside the Philippines. A permanently crafted lantern was manufactured and used to the nationwide fabric of astronomical lanterns in 7 different cities in the Philippines, in celebration of the golden anniversary of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations of Islam in 2017. In 2008, a 60-degree traditional giant lantern, being raised as the international season as it represented the country in the Jerusalem Festival of Lights hosted in Israel. 2018 Miss Universe Philippines Category featured Fernando Lantern in her national costume during the preliminary competition of Miss Universe with the theme of Diva or Celebrate. Last year, our iconic models filled the booth in the 98th Annual National Festival of Tolerance and Community, which was held at the Umar Al-Nila in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. On December 14, 2019, a giant lantern crafted by renowned Filipino lantern makers illuminated the grounds of Lapu-Lapu Shrine, the main site of the simultaneous non-athletic event of the country's bicentennial commemoration of victory of humanity. In the same year, the Philippine booth at the Asian Diplomats Council's Association Council at Egypt featured countless models during its annual Asian Diplomats Championship at the Panay Hotel. In coordination with Philippine embassies and consulates, San Fernando lanterns continuously travel with their colorful lights to different countries such as Switzerland, USA, Brazil, Kenya, Italy, China, Australia, Pakistan, Iraq, United Kingdom, Ireland, Lebanon, India.
Hey, mommies! We can't wait to
This
learn
year,
what it
as
is.
the
So,
country
let's hear
controls
from
the
Kiara and
prices brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, the city of San Fernando believes that our joint programs will bring shared hope, faith, and love. And with the active collaboration of leaders who value the preservation of history and culture, the annual Giant Lantern Festival, celebrating 112 years of giant community, continues to sparkle in this full of unity amidst diversity. With 7 participating giant lanterns, bigger, brighter, and grander. These magical lights continue to add brilliance to the season, bring hope and keep shining.
Ano yung mga para dito, mga ano, guys? Ano, guys na? Mga bukod na yan. Kasi nakakita ko dun sa may pasukan eh. QR ko dun sa mga ano eh. Parang
Ulang pa nga eh. Ano ba to? Magandaan ba yan?
Malabo kasi malayo. Oh.
May ticket po sa Robinson.
Wala na daw?
Wala na. May schedule po siya. E pili kayo mga araw. Hindi ko lang po alam kung online. Hindi ko lang po alam. Robinson po. 20 bukas hanggang December 24 sa 25. Wala po. Meron ulit 26. Hanggang 30. Tapos wala na naman ng 31. Parating po tayo Pasita.
Bawal po lumapit. Dapat nga no audience eh, bawal nga lumapit. Siguro mga almost 200 meters ako ang layo.
Parang bed mo. Dati 12 yan.
Ngayon, meron lang po.
Oo, kasi po yung iba yung ticket.
Ito na lang. Sumali ka. Na ano po yan? May cash price ba? Magkano po?
Siguro 200 tawa.
Oh, wow! Hindi, malaki rin ang gas. Oh,
Ganun ako kalayo guys, oh. Ganun ako kalayo. Yan, ganun ako kalayo kasi bawal po lumapit.
yung ganun ang ano. Na tatlo, yung nilalagay sa harap ng ano.
Yung malaki? Takbo mo yung bahay mo.
Ano, SM ba?
Ano sa bahay mo isa? Ay, sa tuloy mo, sa Nicolas. Sa Nicolas.
Magkano ticket? Yun yung SM talaga.
Wala nakalagay na.
Walang presyo?
Siglang.
Ano lang? At urgency. Ano yung isa?
Oo, malaki po siya. Mga dalawang palapag yan. Oo, hanggang dito lang.
Naka-teleguide pala.
Napakalayo po yan.
Lahat ng buwan. Kasi ito lang po dati wala naman bayad. Naka-bayad. Para hindi dumugin, ano po? Papayag ka para hindi dumugin. Eh kaso, may pag-atienda ba? Wala.
Mamaya ko i-zoom pag malapit na, pag nag-umpisa na yung isa. Ayan o, maraming bantay o.
Madaling araw.
Tapos hanggang doon, mga pulis.
Ayan na isa, oh. Oo, ganun. Tapos ganyan.
Malabo siya kasi malayo. Napakalayo ko. Wait lang. Namamatay kasi.
Pinagkatyan na nakakatyan. Hindi ka gamit sa namin guna-guna masabi ako sipag.
Santo Niño. Kakaludod at ipapakali kakanyaw kung kaya sana saya hil wala
Paradise ng Niño in 5, 4, 3,
Ano